Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Tesla Model Y trunk cover. First, ensure your trunk is fully open, providing ample space to work. Next, locate the two retaining clips positioned on each side of the trunk cover. These clips secure the cover in place. With a gentle but firm upward motion, pull on the cover near these clips to disengage them. You should hear a slight click as they release. Once the clips are released, you will likely find one or more electrical connectors attached to the underside of the cover. These typically power the trunk light or other accessories. Carefully disconnect each connector by pressing its release tab and pulling gently. Take a moment to note how the wires are routed. This will be helpful when you reinstall the cover. Avoid pulling on the wires themselves. With all connectors detached, you can now lift the trunk cover completely out of the vehicle. It should come out smoothly without resistance. Once removed, it is crucial to store the cover properly. Find a safe, flat surface where it won't be bent or scratched. Avoid leaning it against a wall or placing heavy items on top, as this could cause permanent damage to its structure. To reinstall the trunk cover, simply reverse the steps. First, carefully position the cover back into the trunk, aligning it with the mounting points. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors you previously detached, ensuring they click firmly into place. Finally, press down firmly on the cover near the clip locations until you hear them engage, securing the cover back in its original position. Double-check for a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.